Honorable Speaker, I also rise to pay my homage and condolences to the families of the stalwarts which the country has lost, and particularly I want to pay my deepest respects and condolences to the family of late Salsing Si Marak. In one of the condolences message that was said during the funeral at Resubelpara, I recalled some of the sentences that were said, and one of the speakers had mentioned that he had touched many lives for the better. So I want to recall my foray into political life. It was in the year 1993 where late Salsing called me to his house and asked me to join the party as a primary member, which I accepted and subsequently became the treasurer of the Congress, Meghalaya Youth Congress. 10 years went on, and in 2003, he told me again that this time you should stand for elections from the 24th Sorankham constituency. That was the interaction and guidance that he gave me. So I've known this gentleman for a very, very long time, and no words can actually talk about his goodness. I've just coined a few words. He was a leader of unique credentials, a humanitarian par excellence, a human and humane in every sense, a colleague who expressed himself with mind, heart and soul so as to help in any contingency, a friend who was always present no matter the prevailing forces of challenges, a guide and guardian in the arena of political combat, and a role model of preeminent distinction amidst the hustle and bustle of lives and livelihoods. My remembrances of this great golden soul are profound and poignant. I shall miss his company, his guidance, and his friendship. It is all distinctively irreplaceable, sir. May God embrace him in his care, for late Salsing Marak deserves his blessings and, of course, our inextinguishable love. I was glad to be there for the last rites that was performed. And with these few words, sir, I convey my condolences to the families of to the family members, and may God give them the strength to bear this irreplaceable loss. I pray that his soul rests in eternal peace.